videotaping now.
They all put their gloves away.
Shane?
I am champion.
Lon just kicked Christopher's butt in the boxing ring. There's
No, I
Christopher
didn't.
who had his butt kicked.
Ow!
Alright, here we go again.
He doesn't even look. He doesn't even look like hitting. He's like, it's too ugly. Do you really hate your brother sometimes?
Lon's dream come
Well, this
true.
is a chance you like.
Yeah, come on.
We're getting rained
I
on.
want to see the next part.
There's a beautiful rainbow just a couple of minutes ago. It's November 10th, 1993. Rachel's inside taking a nap.
I can't believe this. And I thought you were the bully. You thought you were the bully, Jay. Guess my dad. Forget it. You're history. Punch him in the head, Dad. Black. Give him black eyelid.
Go for it, Shane. Oh.